Present continuous tense.
Sarah is enjoying her day off. She has a virtual meeting with her friends. Let's see what they're doing in the meantime.
Hi.
Hey guys, I have a day off today. What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner for my family. I'm making spaghetti and meatballs.
I'm practicing my dance moves. I'm learning a new routine for a dance competition.
I'm trying to fix my car. I'm replacing the spark plugs.
Suddenly, a loud noise interrupts the conversation.
What was that?
It sounded like an explosion.
Sorry guys, I accidentally dropped a wrench in the engine. Now it's stuck.
Looks like you need some help. Maybe you should call a mechanic.
No way. I can fix it myself. I'm a DIY guy.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
My pasta is boiling over. I need to turn down the heat.
Don't burn the meatballs. They're my favorite.
Don't worry, Sarah. I'm a master chef. I know what I'm doing.
Suddenly, Bob's smoke alarm goes off.
What was that?
Oops, I burnt my dinner.
Looks like you need to order a pizza instead.
No way. I'll make a new batch. I won't let my guests go hungry.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of heart into all of our content and your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching.
John, have you seen my dance video? I posted it on Instagram.
No, I haven't. Let me check it out.
It's okay. Let me show you.
Amy starts dancing to the music playing on her tablet, her movements fluid and graceful.
Wow, you're an amazing dancer. I'm impressed.
Amy, you're an amazing dancer. I'm sure you'll win the competition.
Thank you. I will try my best.
Bob, how is your spaghetti?
The spaghetti is almost done. That must be my guests. I have to go. See you guys later.
No worries, thanks for joining us.
It was so great to see you all. Take care.
Thanks guys. It was great to catch up. See you all soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.